You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Phrase pronunciation. In British English, the pronunciation is different from American English. British English pronunciation, BBC for British Broadcasting, whatever it means. What does BBC stand for? BBC News is how it is pronounced. BBC News, British Broadcasting Corporation. BBC News. Now the Americans say it as BBC News. Alright, so the difference is news in British English or news in American English. But this being British, of course, from the UK, it's BBC News. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.